Jet black. Crew cab. Great news! Lakeside Toyota did not take any water damage to the dealership or to our vehicles like many other dealers in and out of our area did. Our inventory has made it through the storm without water damage. No flooded vehicles, so when buying a pre-owned vehicle from Lakeside Toyota, you get that very important peace of mind of not having to worry about buying a flood vehicle. It is just one more thing less to be concerned about when purchasing your vehicle here at Lakeside Toyota. Are you interested in a truly fantastic truck? Then take a look at this hardy 2011 Toyota Tundra. Designated by Consumer Guide as a 2011 recommended large pickup. The pin-you-to-your-seat performance of this great Tundra will make it a favorite among our more passionate buyers.